Okay, to install the sleeve, first you have to get all the air out of the lid. So you're gonna take a screwdriver to the right side air fitting, which is the red. Red is always for the lid. Push that in, push all the air out of the lid. That is locked. You're gonna bring everything up. This up. You're gonna roll this down lightly. Just like that, it doesn't have to be too tight. So just past this clamp, and you're gonna take it all the way past the rest of this rubber. Make sure it's super tight. Do the same thing on the other side. Down. Now the lid, you want to roll this down. You want to roll it towards your camera head. So that way when this is dragging across the top of the pipe, it's not going to want to unravel it. So you want to roll it towards your camera head. You just want it sitting on top. And you're going to take a piece of masking tape. Masking tape is lighter. It's easier to rip. It's gonna allow this to unfold when you air the lid up. It rips a whole lot easier. You can even pre-rip it if you need to, if you're more comfortable.